Hey everyone, welcome back to Four Wheels Empire. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular features in modern cars, all-wheel drive, or AWD for short. Whether you're tackling snowy roads, off-road trails, or just want better grip on the pavement, AWD can make a big difference. But what exactly is it, and how does it work? Stick around, I've got you covered. An all-wheel drive vehicle, also known as an AWD vehicle, is one with a powertrain capable of providing power to all its wheels, whether full-time or on demand. Most all-wheel drive systems let your vehicle automatically decide when to drive all four wheels. They're adaptable, balancing fuel economy and traction needs, without the driver having to think about what the vehicle is doing. All-wheel drive connects your vehicle's engines to the front and rear wheels, but most AWD cars and SUVs can change the amount of power sent to the front or back wheels, and can even disconnect power from one set of wheels entirely. This is called part-time all-wheel drive, the most common type of AWD. Some vehicles use full-time all-wheel drive. Just like the name suggests, full-time AWD always sends power to both the front and rear wheels. While these systems never turn off, they may still be able to vary how much power goes to the front or rear if they sense your wheels starting to slip. On AWD thinks for itself so you can focus on driving. It balances fuel economy and extra traction. It's designed for paved roads, but can handle sunlight duty off-roading. AWD is available on a wide selection of cars. That's AWD in a nutshell. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive tips and tech explainers. And let me know in the comments, do you drive a car with AWD? How has it helped you? Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.